The first question today is from Katyayani, IA number 119, who's asking, Dear Swamiji, how can I break the pattern of laziness and procrastination? Are they related?
See, you need to understand this pattern of procrastination. It is something serious, more serious than laziness. Laziness is like you don't attend to something which is not that important. Procrastination is something like even which needs your attention immediately. Not attending even those things. If you are not attending your needs of wealth, it is laziness. If you are not attending your needs to prepare for the next life and death, it is procrastination. Understand? If you are postponing your need for wealth, it is laziness. If you are postponing your need to prepare for death and next life, it is procrastination. You may think in the other way. Procrastination is much worse than restlessness, anger. I can say worst pattern a person can suffer with is procrastination, because with other patterns like anger, restlessness, society tells you again and again and again, even if you do a small mistake, even if you show in one place a small anger, immediately either you pay or your master pays. The anger, restlessness, all these patterns, society immediately makes you pay, teaches you lesson. But I tell you, with restlessness, anger, with all those patterns, at least society hits you back and you will learn the lesson. But this procrastination is like having all the patterns but never being touched. That is the worst thing. That's the worst thing. This is the worst pattern. Even Guru cannot help you when there is a procrastination, this pattern. Because you will postpone even Guru's support. Laziness, you can get out of laziness through a proper, a simple support from the master. If he creates little bit of fear or greed in you, you will be out of laziness. That is not a problem. But this procrastination, I'm just seeing, is there any solution for this procrastination? No. Not even Guru can help you. Because even Guru's support, you will postpone. See, with laziness, you can be awakened by fear and greed. In procrastination, you cannot be awakened. Procrastination is the laziness which cannot be shaken even by fear and greed. Katyayani, I tell you, there is no method I can give you to come out of procrastination other than the strong fear that unless you come out by yourself, nothing can be done. When it comes to procrastination, I can only lift my hands off, say that you are on your own, nothing can be done by me. Maybe if this fear wakes you up and you get out, you are saved. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore, 562109. Contact 09742203311. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.